Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my filter system from bulk Reef Supply. It just got delivered about 30 minutes ago, and I'm having a problem with TDS in my water. To bring it to 0, I'm getting like 12, and I really want it to be 0 because that's why I think that well, honestly, I was mixing the salt water after the alkaline filter on my 7-stage RO system, which I think is a very bad idea. It's been making my readings all over the place for calcium and stuff, and because it adds minerals back into the water for taste, so it tastes like a bottle of water. So that's the reason why I got a filtration system made for drinking water, not for reef water. So just make sure that you don't do the same thing I did. That's what I did. So anyway, if you saw my other videos, you saw how many parts per million I'm getting. I did a video on that already, about how many parts per million I'm getting with my my TDS meter and stuff like that. So this is what I got. This is what they told me will bring me down from 12 to 0 without a problem at all. And it shouldn't get dirty that quick, and I shouldn't have to change it that much, the DI resin, because my TDS is so low and I'm already going through a full 5-6 stage filtration system and then going to the DI resin. So let's get this open. This is just an unboxing and seeing what's up and seeing what they're going to give me. So let's unbox this and see what we got, and we'll go from there. Oh, I forgot my hat. I forgot my Glen Velvet Reviews hat my girlfriend got me. I forgot that. That's my Glen Velvet Reviews hat right there that my girlfriend got me a couple months ago. So anyway, let's cut this open. So a lot of foam on top of the box, so let's take this out. There's all the foam in here. So here's what it looks like. Here's what it comes like in the box. Deluxe DI canister, bulk Reef Supply, DI resin 1, DI resin 2. These are the DI resin that they give you. They give you 5 foot of 1/4-inch tubing in order to connect everything to it. You probably have to flush this out a little bit. I mean, I would think so. It doesn't make sense not to. So they did give me regular DI resin. It's not the anion or whatever the other ones that they have, the fancy ones that they have that are a little bit more expensive. It comes with the regular DI resin that's color changing. So it still comes with color changing, which is kind of cool. So you can't complain. It's just that when you want to update and put the other one in it, the other type of DI resin that they have that really takes out the TDS and really cleans the water, you could get that your next batch. But I'm going to try this first. So let's take this out. So now it's out of the box, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. It feels pretty good. Made out of steel. Here's the TDS meter right here that turns on and off. So that's in there automatically. See, in and out. TDS meter is already in there. Now, before you go installing this, I would make sure that your TDS meter probes are set up properly. I would make sure that you want the probes to be water going through the probes, not like this where it's going vertical with the probes. You don't want that. You don't want it to be going across the probes. You want it to go in between the probes. So make sure when you look inside here that the probes are set up properly, and I'm going to do that and make sure. And what I usually do is, to make sure it's proper, I'll usually make a line with a marker and know where it's supposed to be set, so this way I know it's supposed to be set in that position for the TDS meter. So it did come with a HM TDS meter, comes on the top. It's a dual one, so it gives me in and out, so it tells me what I'm getting in and what I'm getting out, which is kind of cool. and it comes with these little filters. I don't have, it didn't come with any kind of tool to open them up, so that's going to be a little bit of a challenge because it didn't come with the tool. I don't know why. They maybe should have included the wrench to change out the filters. You can just get one of the big rubber wrenches from Home Depot. They sell them in a pack for $19.99, and that'll get this off with no problem. I know that, but I would like to use the plastic ones, and it would have been a little bit easier to use that, so I guess not. So I'm going to install this next, and we're going to check this out, check out my TDS meter, and see what we're getting on TDS, and seeing if this works out for you in your setup. We're going to check. So here, dual inline TDS meter. So we are going to check and see what we're getting, and you're going to see an update on that very shortly. I'm going to get this installed maybe tonight or tomorrow, and then we'll see if we brought mine from 12 to 0 and get 0 TDS water for my fish. Just because I've been losing fish and invertebrates every 3 months, and I feel like they should last longer. My alkalinity and everything else seems fine, but my water quality doesn't seem like it's perfect for what I need. So this is what I'm going to do and get this perfect water. So that's just an unboxing review of the Bulk Reef Supply Deluxe DI canisters that I did get. This is the back of it, what it does look like with the wiring and stuff, so you can see the back of it. Here it comes out. Like I said, make sure these are lined up properly before installing them. And here's your mounts right here where you're going to drill and you're going to mount up, and that's it. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing review of the Bulk Reef Supply Dual DI resin canisters that I got. Thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to post them down below. I would love to know. I'll help you out anything you can after I installed it and see if we can help each other out. Everything's great. And also subscribe to my channel and join me on my review adventure of everything else I like to review and everything else I like to try to help the community out before they go and spend their hard-earned money on stuff. This kind of just helps you out with your decision making. So that's it for now. Like I said, thanks for watching. Everyone be safe and have a good one. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everyone.